Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Bible and great God, let us start our today's topic, that is the helium neon laser. Okay, it is very important laser as far as the exams are concerned. See, yesterday we have done the ruby laser, that is a solid state laser, and we do prefer the optical pumping in the ruby laser. Okay, but see, this is the helium neon laser. What's the atomic number of helium? 2. It means it is small in size. Helium is small in size. And what is the atomic number of neon? 9. So it means it is larger than the helium. Okay. This is the first introduction of the helium laser. Second is it is a gas laser. It is a gas laser. It is not a solid state laser. It is a gas laser. And in the gas laser, we do prefer the electrical pumping. Optical pumping is not preferred in the gas laser. Why? Why optical pumping is not preferred? Because optical pumping can only be done in the cases for the solids only. For the solids only. But this is not a solid. This is in the gaseous state. Okay. Now see in the construction, this is the length. The length of the tube having 80 cm length and 1 cm diameter. Okay. We have given the electrical pumping by giving electric field positive this side, negative this side. These windows are called these glass windows are inclined at the mutual angle, so that we can obtain a plane polarized light. We can obtain a plane polarized light. Plane polarized means the light which have only directions or vibrations in only one direction, single direction, in only one direction, in particular direction. That we have already discussed in the class what we mean by polarization. So polarization means cutting the vibrations of the light and set the vibrations only along the one particular direction. That is called a polarization. हिंदी वालों के लिए बता दूं, लाइट की जो वाइब्रेशंस होती है वो चारों डायरेक्शंस में होती है ऑर्डिनरी लाइट के, तो उस लाइट की वाइब्रेशंस को काट के सिर्फ एक डायरेक्शन को रखना है along any particular direction. So that is called a polarization. So what is the impact of polarization? So polarization causes the reduction of the intensity of light. Reduction of the intensity of light. Just like we wear the polarized glasses. Just like we wear the polarized glasses to reduce the intensity of sunlight, so that our eyes can be feel very calm and very soothed. Okay. So that our eyes can be in the comfortable position. Okay. And last one are these two plane mirrors. This is the partially reflecting mirror across which we can obtain the laser light, and this is a totally reflecting mirror. So the combination of these two mirrors will offer a resonant cavity. Will make the resonant cavity. ये दोनों मिरर्स क्या बना रहे हैं कि रेजोनेंट कैविटी बना रहे हैं, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं ऑप्टिकल रेजोनेटर. The combination of these two mirrors makes a resonant cavity, which we can also call it as a optical resonator. So again, the basic mechanism is same. What is basic mechanism? The basic mechanism consists of 4 steps. First step is called pumping. Second step is called population inversion. Third step is called stimulated emission. Fourth step is called basic mechanism is same whether it's a solid state laser or it is a gas laser. जो बेसिक मैकेनिज्म है वो सही रहेगा. ठीक है, पहले स्टेप पे पंपिंग होगी, दूसरे स्टेप पे पंपिंग से क्या होगा, पंपिंग causes population inversion, and when we achieve the population inversion, then the third step is it will offer us stimulated emission, and fourth step by the action of stimulated emission we will get a laser light. समझ आ रहा है? जैसे हिंदी वालों को समझ आ रहा है? International, is it okay? Okay. Now see, this tube contains helium and neon in the gaseous state of the mixture having 10:1 ratio. I mean to say, helium possesses 10 atoms and neon atom 1. Let us say if helium possesses 100 atoms, then what is the composition of neon atom? 10. 100:10 means 10:1. Okay. So it means helium atom are large in number, and in this tube, helium and neon are in the gaseous state. Helium and neon are in the gaseous state in the ratio of 10:1. जो लेंथ है ट्यूब की उसमें हीलियम और नियॉन दोनों किसमें है, गैसियस स्टेट में है, और किस कंपोजिशन में है, 10:1. अगर 10 एटम हीलियम के हो गए तो एक एटम किसका होगा, नियॉन. अगर मान लीजिए उसके 1000 एटम है, लेट अस से द हीलियम पोजेसेस 1000 एटम, तो व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ नियॉन एटम्स, 100. 1000 into 100 means 10:1. Now we do the pumping. First step is we do the pumping. We prefer the electrical pumping because optical pumping is not efficient in this case. Because only optical pumping can only do for the solids only. For the solids only, it cannot be preferred for the gases. Okay. So we adopt an electrical pumping by giving a positive electron and a negative electron. Now what will happen? When we apply electrical pumping, what will happen? What will happen? When we prefer electrical pumping, then electron will accelerate. Electron will accelerate along the length of tube. Electron will accelerate along the length of tube. Now see, the tube contains electron, helium and neon. What will happen? This electron will get collide with the helium. This electron get collide with the helium. This is the helium in the ground state. This is the helium in the helium ground state. Now what will happen? When electron will collide with the helium, then what will happen? It will transfer its energy to the helium. Electron अपनी energy किसको दे देगा? Okay. Again, when we give a discharge through the gaseous mixture, then electron will acquire kinetic energy and it will get collide with the helium, which is present in the ground state here. After collision, helium will give its energy to the helium. The electron will give its energy to the helium, and helium goes to the excited state. So this helium star means helium in excited state. Electron collide with helium and transfer its energy to the helium, and as a result of collision, helium goes to the excited state. So this is called helium star. Helium star means helium in excited state, and simple helium mean helium in ground state. So I will write here ground state. This helium is the ground state. Now this excited state helium will get collide with the neon, because in the tube neon atoms are also present. This excited state helium will get collide with the neon. Krishna.